Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, August 26th. The Zen story for today is titled The Cat Made of Smoke. For years, no one had questioned the way the incense moved. It rose, curled through the rafters, and then disappeared. Until one evening, when someone noticed it wasn't drifting the way it usually did. The smoke seemed to gather, low to the floor, thicker than normal, as if caught by a draft that didn't exist. It held there, swirling slowly, pooling into something more than vapor. One of the younger monks leaned forward, squinting. "Do you see that?" Someone else nodded. "It looks like..." But the words trailed off before they landed. The shape began to lift, long and low, like a shadow taking form. Ears, a tail, the unmistakable outline of a cat. No one moved. The smoke drifted between the rows of seated monks, not scattering, not breaking apart. It circled once, almost like it was sniffing the air, then passed through the center of the room. A murmur stirred in someone's throat but didn't make it to their lips. The shape stretched, just slightly, and seemed to bow, folding into itself, thinning into nothing as the last trail of smoke dissolved. The room stayed frozen. No one dared to ask if the others had seen it. No one wanted to risk being the only one. Then, out of nowhere, the old temple dog padded into the hole, tail wagging, tongue hanging out, nails clicking softly on the floor. Half the monks flinched, heads snapping towards the sound, and then soft laughter. Not nervous, not shaken, relieved. Someone reached down to scratch behind the dog's ears. "It's not the cat," they whispered, and for the first time all night, they let out their breath. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Is our relief in certainty worth more than the beauty of mystery? Is our relief in certainty worth more than the beauty of mystery? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Is our relief in certainty worth more than the beauty of mystery? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.